Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I hope everyone's doing well. If you're not new here, then you'll probably notice I have my voice back. Finally got over everything. Last videos I was coughing like crazy, as you guys might have seen. If you're not new here, then welcome. My name's Linda. I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing to my channel and we can be friends. So today's video is an unboxing. It's Fendi, of course. Fendi is one of my favorite brands. So a few, I want to say months ago, my Fendi essay had something that I wanted, and every time I'd be like, I'll take it, he was like, it was either sold or it didn't arrive at the store. And so today's video is that I finally got that item. So let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so he had sent me the picture of this necklace and I loved it, but every time I would say yes, I'll take it, it either didn't arrive, like I said, or it was gone or something. I couldn't get my hands on it. And so a few days ago he was like, hey, that necklace came in, do you want it? And I was like, hell yeah, because I know how fast these things go. And I've actually never bought like a designer necklace. Like, I mean, I have like Swarovski, things like that, but never like Fendi or like Louis Vuitton or anything like that. So this is my very first necklace from one of my favorite brands, so I was really excited. And I rarely do I actually go to the store in person, so he did mail it to me, and it was either next day shipping or 2-day shipping max, so that's pretty cool. So I went ahead and just opened the like outside box already, just so you guys don't have to hear all that. And then there's that. They've got the little like thank you letter and all that with the receipt and everything. And here it is. I'm so excited. It's actually like a pretty big box. I was thinking, since I already knew obviously it was a necklace, I was like, I wonder how big the box is gonna be, or like how all this is gonna be, but that's a pretty big box. And then the necklace is also in a big box. Again, this is my very first necklace from one of these brands, so I didn't really know what to expect, but it kind of looks like a watch box to me. All right, so there we go. And then you see like the little fail you see like the little Fendi logo in there. That's pretty cute. And then you open like that. Okay. Whoop. Okay, so here's the necklace. It's got like the little Fendi thing attached to it. Yeah, this is a really big box for like what it is. I'll try to do a much better close-up. Let me just take it out of here. This is a really huge box, I must say. Okay, so now it's off. Oh, and actually for this video I decided to wear my Fendi watch just because it just felt very fitting for today's video. I love it. It's like a little bit out there, a little bit crazy, but if you don't look too close, it kind of looks like wings. You wouldn't necessarily know that it's like a little FF or anything, but I love this ring. It's so cute. And I also went ahead and wore my Gucci watch because I had unboxed it and then I couldn't find it, and finally I found it and I was so happy, so I was just waiting to wear this watch. I'm so excited. And now back to the necklace. I'll actually use the contrast to show you. So some of the FFs, okay, so some of the little circles with the FFs have like, they're like bedazzled. It's probably like, I'm guessing Swarovski crystals or something, and then some of them are just like plain. So like this one you can see has like all the little like stones, and then the other FF is, sorry, I'm trying to show you. The other F is just like plain, and so it's just pretty much a bunch of those. And so I could wear this like the long way, but it's like super long. This would be like way down here. Or what I was thinking is I could like double wrap it, something like that, and I can wear it. Okay, let me get closer. So I figured I could wear it like double wrapped, and it's a little bit dainty, nothing too gaudy, but I figure, yeah, I'd wear it like double wrapped like this, and obviously like adjust it a little bit. But I think this is super cute. It's definitely not too gaudy, not too out there, and I just felt like it was like the perfect necklace for me. He did have a few other necklaces, but they were just a little bit too in your face in my opinion. Like they had like the FF logos a lot bigger, and they were actually either less or the same price, so it wasn't about the price. I just felt like this one's much more up my alley. I think it's super cute. I like that some of these have stones on them and some of them don't for the little Fs. I also just thought it looked like my style with like just a plain like necklace and then just the little Fs. Like it's just something so cute, so dainty, and I was really excited to have this. And I did ask him if he had anything else I might like. He had a bunch of the Mon Trésors, which is that one bag that I love, this one. And he had it in a bunch of different styles and colors, and I just, honestly, I'm still thinking mine is like my favorite one. Like even after looking at all the ones, he sent me one that's all beige, and I kind of like that one, but I'm not gonna lie, I still like my denim one more than anything. I just think it's so cute. And so yeah, so this is the only thing that I did pick up, and I'll be fully transparent on the price. This is from the outlets because my essay is from the outlet. My price was $260, and then there's a $15 shipping fee, so it was not, I mean, I could have just driven there instead of paying the $15. So if they find it in a different store for you, my cough did not completely go away. So anyway, so if they find this in a different store for you, like a different location, then I think they ship it for free. But if they find it like on the spot, like in your location, then they don't ship it for free because you could have just gone there. I'm pretty sure that's the general consensus with all the stores, because with Jimmy Choo, if they found an item that I wanted in a different location, then it's not my fault. They would ship it for free. But if it was something that, like, if they were like, hey, this came in, do you want to drive here? And I didn't, then they would just charge me for it, the $15. So yeah, but I think $260 for this necklace is amazing. I did, of course, do my research as I do with like pretty much all my purchases. And online, this exact necklace was around $500 or $600. And so again, this is outlet prices, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this necklace. And I mean, the box is out there. I'm not gonna use this box. It'll probably just be decoration because it's humongous. But I do think it's nice how they like it's a nice presentation, like this like huge box. But realistically, I would have preferred some small dainty little thing that I could actually like keep and like store it in. But not complaining, I'm just saying this is just kind of like huge, like for like a little necklace, but again, still cute. And actually I'm wondering if this pouch thing like comes out, because it does kind of look, I don't know, this thing's kind of huge. Never mind, I don't know if it does. Do I want to try to pull this whole thing out? Alright, so that part comes out. It has this thing. Oh no, never mind, it's like part of the box. It's like integrated in there, because I was thinking maybe this part can be like a pouch. But it does look like it's actually like glued to the box maybe. So that's not gonna happen, but oh well. Still not complaining, and I think this will be like a cute little box to put somewhere in here. And then also maybe, oh, you guys can't really see it, but I am already using the box from the last unboxing. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking to the camera. So this is the box from the last unboxing that I was so happy about, and I am already using it like on my shelves as decor. Just, I think the way I position my camera today, you don't really have a good view of it. It's kind of like a little dark in that corner. Sorry about that. But anyway, I do hope you all enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you all for the next video. I hope everyone's doing great. Bye!